in differential equation, we saw how to solve a differential equation of a variable separable and find out the general solution. हमने इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन कैसे फाइंड करना है वो देखा. नाउ पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन कैसे फाइंड करना है वो हम इस वीडियो से सीखेंगे, राइट. सो गिवन दैट dy by dx is equal to minus 4x y square. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन हम फाइंड करते हैं वैसे ही फाइंड करना है. इसके बाद जो गिवन इनिशियल कंडीशन है इसका यूज करके कैसे हमें पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है वो मैं आपको सिखाता हूं, राइट. सो दिस इज dy by dx is equal to minus 4x y square. So this can be written in a variable separable form. This is dy upon y square is equal to minus 4x dx. So this is variable separable form. So integrating we get 1 upon y square dy minus 4 is constant, integration x dx is given, right. So in answer of this is integration of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x. So this is 1 upon y square with respect to y. So answer is minus 1 upon y is equal to minus 4, and integration of this is x square by 2 plus c, where c is any arbitrary constant. This will be cut. So this can be written as minus twice x square plus c, right. So if we write here, this is 1 upon y, right. So if we take minus common from here, we get minus 1 upon y is equal to 2x square minus c. We get minus 1 upon y is equal to, what we get, minus 1 upon y is equal to 2x square minus c, right. So if we multiply, then this will be cut. So this is, so y will be 1 upon 2x square minus c. This is your general solution. Say equation number 1, right. Now condition is given y equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So now y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So substituting y equal to 1 here, in general solution we get 1 is equal to x is 0, so we get minus c, that is c is equal to minus 1, and substituting the value of c here in general solution, so from 1 we get y is equal to 1 upon 2x square minus plus c is 1, right, which is your particular solution, right. So this is the way to solve the equation with general solution and particular solution. As I told you, as I discussed, मैंने आपको बोला था, right, स्टार्टिंग में, जितना आपके पास आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट होगा, राइट, इतनी इसकी ऑर्डर रहेगा, राइट. और जनरल सॉल्यूशन में ऑर्डर जितना है इतना ही आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट आता है. इसका ऑर्डर एक था तो एक ही आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट था, और पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन में देयर इज नो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट, राइट, ऑफ एनी ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, नो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इन पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन, दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. वो हमने एक एमसीक्यू भी इसका ऐसे जैसा जो था वो सॉल्व किया था, राइट. सो दिस इज योर पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दिस, x upon x square minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1, right. So this can be written as dy is equal to dx upon x into x square minus 1. It's very easy, right. So this is variable separable form, right. After identifying given differential equation is in variable separable, it is very easy to get the answer, because आपको सिंपल इंटीग्रेशन ही करना है जो आपने इंडिफाइनाइट में सीखा है. सो इंटीग्रेटिंग वी गेट इंटीग्रेशन dy is equal to dx upon x into x square minus 1, राइट. नाउ ये आपका इंटीग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन हो गया. आपको पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन यूज करना है तो आप पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इसका फैक्टर लेके x x minus 1 x plus 2 a upon x b upon x minus 1 c upon x plus 1 you can use, but I am not going to apply that method, right, because I am writing simply sweet thing is I am writing this is x square minus, here is 1, so can I write like this, x square minus 1 whole upon x into x square minus 1 dx. सी देखो क्या हो गया, एक्स एक्स कैंसिल हो गया, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया तो 1 आ गया, तो ये टर्म जो है वो मैंने एडजस्ट कर ली। नाउ बाइफरकेटिंग दिस वी गेट इंटीग्रेशन dy इज इक्वल टू 1x कट हो जाएगा तो x अपॉन x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 dx माइनस इंटीग्रेशन दिस विल बी कट, आंसर इज 1 अपॉन x dx। Got it? Now this is the integrable function. Now here derivative of the denominator is in numerator. Derivative of x square is twice x, but no 2. It's very easy. Divide and multiply by 2. आपको पता है. And derivative of this is denominator is in numerator either. Log mod x is your answer. So answer of this is y, right? So y is equal to 1 upon 2 log mod x square minus 1 upon 2 log mod x square minus 1 minus this is log mod x and plus, right? C, I'm writing plus c. If you want to take 2 common, right, so you can take 2 common, so y is equal to 1 upon 2 common, this is log mod x square minus 1 minus 2 times log mod x, because we are taking 2 common, so no 2, so divide and multiply. Divide by 2 is common, so multiply is as it is. Now applying log formula, log a minus log b is log a upon b, and taking 2 to the power, right? So applying log x raised to n formula, power rule also. So we get y is equal to 1 upon 2. This is log mod x square minus 1 upon x square and plus c. And plus c. Got it? What we did here? We apply formula log x raised to n is equal to n log x and then log a minus log b. Log a upon b. Right? So this is your general solution. So this is required general solution. Now for particular solution condition is given. So now say this is a result number 1. So now y equal to 0 when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, right? So this is substituting value of y equal to 0 here, we get 0 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now x is 2, 2 square is 4 minus 1 is 3, so log 3 upon x square is 4 plus c, plus c. This is your answer, right? So what is your c? C is equal to minus half log 3 by 4. So therefore c is equal to minus half log mod 3 by 4, or you can write simply 3 by 4 because this is a positive numbers. So substituting value of c here in general solution, that is in equation number 1, we get our particular solutions, right? So therefore from 1 y is equal to half log mod x square minus 1 upon x square, right? And minus half log mod 3 by 4, mod 3 by 4, right? So this is your particular solution. So this is your particular solution, right? Got it? तो क्या किया हमने? कुछ नहीं, जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन मिलता है आपको, राइट? आफ्टर गेटिंग अ जनरल सॉल्यूशन, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यूज अ गिवन कंडीशन, गिवन initial condition to get the value of c and replace c in general solution, you will get your particular solution. Question 11, page 396. x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 divided by dx is equal to x square plus x, right? So this is given, and we easily convert this into a variable separable form because all terms containing x and this is dx. So what is your dy? So if we write, then dy is equal to, this is 2x square plus x, right, whole upon this is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx plus dx, right? So this is a variable separable form. This is a variable separable form, right? So now what to do? This is integrating dy is equal to integration 2x square plus x. Now I am taking x square common from here, so this is x square into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 dx, right? So now x plus 1 is common, so integration dy is equal to 2x square plus x whole upon x plus 1 x square plus 1 dx, right? So now partial fraction method. So see, this is result number 1, because this is not an integrable function without using partial fraction method, right? So using partial fraction you can integrate this very easily, right? So one linear and one quadratic root, you know how to solve this type of questions you learn in indefinite integration. So 2x square plus x whole upon x plus 1 x square plus 1 is equal to one constant, one linear factor. Now this is a quadratic, so quadratic must have bx plus c form, so bx plus c into x square plus 1. Now taking LCM, so we get this is 2x square plus x is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus x plus 1 into bx plus c, right? Now if we take x is equal to minus 1, so x is equal to minus 1, you know how to solve this type of questions, right? आपने इनडिफाइनाइट इंटीग्रेशन में ये सीखा है, तो आपको पता भी है कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है. तो if we take x is equal to minus 1, so this implies minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 into 2 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1 again, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to, now if we substitute x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 2, so this is a into 2, and if we take put minus 1, this is 0, so therefore answer of a will be half. So we get first constant a is equal to half, right? Now taking arbitrary numbers, because only x plus 1 is the factor, so now taking x equal to 0 and then x equal to 1 for getting another constant. So if we put x equal to 0, then 0 0 is 0 is equal to, this is a 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 1 0 plus c, right? So a is equal to, or c is equal to minus a, so therefore c is equal to minus a, that is c is equal to minus half, right? C is minus half, that is our answer. So we get c is equal to minus half. Now the remaining constant is b, so taking arbitrary numbers, x is equal to 1, so this implies 1 into 2 2 plus 1, that is 3, is equal to 1 plus 1 twice a, right? Plus 1 plus 1 2 into b plus c, into b plus c. Now a is half, so what we get, substituting value of a, we get 3 is equal to, twice a is 1, so this is 1, plus twice b plus 2c, twice b, and 2c, 2c is minus 1, so minus 1, so 1 minus 1 will be cut, we get b is equal to 3 by 2, right? So we get b is equal to 3 by 2. So substituting all values here, I am writing directly this step, right? Because we are solving differential equations, so no need to write put here values and then integrating. I am writing directly here. So therefore from 1, what we get, integration dy is equal to integration. Now answer of this is this, a upon this. Now what is a? A is half, so this is half of x plus 1 dx plus integration b. B is 3 by 2, so this is 3 by 2x, and c is minus half, so c is minus half whole upon, we have x square plus 1 dx. So आप ऐसे स्टेप जो है वो रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, right? Now derivative of the numerator, so this is integration dy is equal to half integration 1 upon x plus 1 dx, and bifurcating this we get plus 3 by 2 integration x upon x square plus 1 dx minus 1 upon 2 integration 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. No need to explain more because you learn this type of questions in indefinite integration. Now derivative this is twice x, so divide and multiply by 2, this become 2 square. So derivative of denominator is in numerator, derivative of the denominator is numerator, and this is tan inverse formula that you know. So integrating we get y is equal to 1 upon 2 log mod x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log mod x square plus 1 and minus 1 upon 2. This is the formula for tan inverse x plus arbitrary constant c. Now here is both has a 1 upon log, here is 1 upon 4, so divide and multiply by 2, we get y is equal to 1 upon 4, and if we multiply by 2 and divide by 2, then this 2 comes here as a power, so this become log x plus 1 whole square. Similarly this 3 comes to here, so this become log x square plus 1 whole cube. 1 upon 4 I missed out, so remaining is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x plus c. आपको ये नहीं करना है तो आप नहीं करेंगे तो चलेगा, सिंपली ये आंसर रहने दो, दैट इज योर जीएस, एंड आफ्टर substituting a given condition you will get the c, and substitute c here you will get your particular solution. बट टेक्स्ट बुक का जो आंसर है वो आपको चाहिए, इसलिए ऐसे करेंगे तो ही आंसर आएगा, नहीं तो वो यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट द आंसर. Right? So y is equal to 1 upon 4 constant. So remaining will be log x plus 1 whole square. Right? Now log a plus log b is log a into b. So this is, I am putting bracket here now. Right? Wait a minute. This is 1 upon 4 is log this into x square plus 1 whole cube and minus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x plus c, right? Equation number 2. This is your GS. Now condition is given y equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So now y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0, right? इसका लेंथ बढ़ेगा, जितना स्टेप कम लिखोगे यहाँ से, राइट? यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफिकेशन जितना कम रहेगा इतना एग्जाम्पल आपका जल्दी फिनिश होगा, राइट? बाद में आपकी कंप्लेन आएगी, सर टाइम कम पड़ा था, कम पड़ेगा ही, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो, राइट? सो y इक्वल टू 1, सो दिस इज 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4, दिस इज 1 अपॉन 4, राइट? log x is 0, so this is 0 into 1, so log 1, right? So 1 upon 4 into log 1, and this is 0 into 1 whole cube is 1, so this is log 1 minus 1 upon 2, x is 0, tan 0 is 0, so this is again 0, right? And plus c, this bracket is over here, 1 upon 4, right? So log 1 is 0, so everything is 0, this is 0, so what we get, 1 is equal to c, तो c का वैल्यू क्या आया, 1 आ गया, so substituting value of c 1 in equation number 2, so from 2 what we get, from 2 y is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket log x plus 1 whole square into x square plus 1 whole cube and minus half tan inverse x plus 1, which is your required particular solution, right? Which is your required particular solution. Got it? तो ये आपको आंसर दिया, इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 किया, अदरवाइज आप नहीं करते तो भी आपका आंसर, तो मगर ये नहीं आता है तो आपको ये लाना है, तो ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. Question 14, page 396. Cos dy by dx is equal to a, where a belongs to R, right? So this can be written as dy by dx. Inserting cos inverse function both sides, we get dy by dx is equal to cos inverse a, right? This is constant. So this can be easily converted into a variable separable form, right? So dy by dx, sorry. How I am writing dy by dx again, right? So therefore dy is equal to cos inverse A into dx. This is variable separable form. Got it? This is a variable separable form. So integrating, what we get? So integration dy is equal to cos inverse A is constant, integration dx, because we are integrating with respect to x. So A is constant. So answer will be y is equal to cos inverse A into x plus c. No need to write anything log either anything. So this is a number one required general solution, right? Now for particular solution it is given. Now y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. This is given, right? Y equal to 2 when x equal to 0. Now substituting y equal to 2 here, we get 2 is equal to cos inverse A and x is 0 plus c. That is everything is 0. So c is 2. So we get c is equal to 2. So from 1, y is equal to x into cos inverse A and plus 2, right? Which is your particular solution, which is required particular solution, right? Same question is 14, page 396. dy by dx is equal to y tan x. dy by dx is equal to y tan x. So easily we can change this into a variable separable form. So dy by y is equal to tan x into dx. So this is your variable separable form. Integrating, we get integrating dy by y is equal to integration tan x dx. Now integration of this, derivative of the denominator is in numerator, right? So this is log mod y is equal to integration of tan x is log mod sec x, right? So log mod sec x and arbitrary constant plus c, but this is log, so VB is 2, right? Log mod c, right? This is sec x. So plus log mod c. Got it? सब टर्म लॉग में है तो इसका आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट भी लॉग लिख दिया, हो गया, राइट? नाउ दिस इज log a plus log b is log a into b. So log mod y is equal to log mod sec x into c. Now this is log is a one function. So removing log function we get y is equal to c sec x, right? So y is equal to c into sec x. Number one, this is your general solution. This is a general solution. Now condition is given. So now y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So substituting y equal to 1 here, we get y is equal to c and sec 0. Sec 0 is 1. So value of c is equal to 1. Substituting this value 1 here, we get our particular solution. So from 1, y is equal to sec x, right? Which is your particular solution, not general solution. It's a particular solution. Y is equal to sec x. Got it? तो ये भी बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन थे, राइट? अब हम जो स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं वो इसका जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है वो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम is question number 15, page 396. Given that find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 0, that is origin, and whose differential equation is y dash is equal to e raised to x sin x. So this is given here, y dash is equal to, here y dash is equal to e raised to x sin x is given. So e raised to x sin x, right? Now y dash means dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to x into sin x is given. This is your differential equation is given. Now you have to find out the curve, equation of curve, right? in this type of word question, finding the equation of curve, that means you have to find out the particular solution using given condition, this passing through the point. In this example also it is given passing through the point, right? So you have to solve according to previous examples we did, right? So similarly you have to apply that method, right? So now you have to change this into variable separable form. So it is easily converted into variable separable form, that is dy is equal to e raised to x into sin x and dx. So this is variable separable form. Now integrating. So integrating we get integration dy is equal to integration e raised to x sin x dx. So answer of this is y is equal to, now you know a formula, e raised to ax sin bx dx formula. So what is your answer? E raised to x upon a square plus b square. A is 1, b is 1. I think so you forget this formula. Integration e raised to ax sin bx dx. Answer is e raised to ax upon a square plus b square, right? A sin bx. A sin bx. If there is a sign, there is a minus, sin minus b cos bx, right, plus c. This is the answer. So we are applying this formula here, right? So for this formula here, what is a? 1, b 1. So here for this formula, a is 1 and b is 1. So a square plus b square is 1 plus 1. So this is 1 plus 1. So this is a y. So y is equal to this, right? A sin bx. So a is 1, b is 1. So what we get? Sin x minus b is 1, right? B cos bx, there is cos x and plus c. This is your answer, right? So y is equal to e raised to x by 2 sin x minus cos x, right, plus c, right? This is your general solution, say equation number 1. Now you have to find out the curve, right? In curve there must no arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant होना नहीं चाहिए, तो इसको रिमूव करना है. तो कौन सा कंडीशन दिया है? Curve is passing through point, but curve is passing through origin, that is 0 0. So substituting x equal to 0, y equal to 0. What we get? 0 is equal to e raised to 0 is 1. So this is 1 upon 2. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1 plus c, right? So c का वैल्यू क्या आ गया? माइनस हाफ या प्लस हाफ. We get so minus 1. So c का वैल्यू क्या आ गया? प्लस हाफ. So therefore c is equal to plus half. Right? I forget to write minus here. Okay. So substituting c is equal to half in equation number 1. So from 1 we get y is equal to e raised to x by 2 sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x plus half. So taking LCM we get 2y and taking 1 to left hand side. So therefore twice y minus 1 is equal to e raised to x and sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x is the required curve. Sin x minus cos x is required curve. Got it? So क्या करना है? वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में कुछ नहीं करना है. आपको जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया गया है as we did in previous questions, तो वो आपको सॉल्व करना है using given initial condition, right? Here it is given passing through point, right? So you have to apply that conditions and find out particular solution, and particular solution is your required equation of a curve, right? So it's also very easy question. Same type of question is this: find the equation of a curve passing through. It is also given passing through point. It is passing through 0 0 and it is passing through 1 1, and given equation is differential equation is x dy, right? So here x dy is equal to 2x square plus 1 into dx. Now you can easily convert this equation into a variable separable form as taking x to this sides. So what we get? Dy is equal to 2x square plus 1 upon x into dx. This is variable separable form. This is variable separable form. So integrating, we get integration dy is equal to integrating, taking separate also. So this is twice x plus 1 upon x and dx. So integrating y is equal to integration of this is x square by 2, but 2 will be cut, plus log mod x plus c, right? This is your general solution. Say equation number 1. General solution and say equation number 1. Now curve is passing through 1 1, but curve is passing through 1 1. So substituting x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1, we get 1 is equal to 1 plus log 1 plus c, but log 1 is always 0, right? So this 1 1 will be cut, this is 0. That means we get c is equal to 0. So therefore c is equal to 0. So from 1 we get y is equal to x square plus log mod x, which is required equation of curve. Required equation of curve, right? है ना इजी, राइट? तो आपको ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम एग्जाम में 101% आएगा ही 2 मार्क्स में, तो आपको इसको प्रिपेयर करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है। मगर आप लोग मेरा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से डरते हैं, आपको बहुत ही इसका डर लगता है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता चलता, नहीं पता चलता। कुछ नहीं करना है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया गया है, वो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपको सॉल्व करना है। दैट मींस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन यूजिंग गिवन कंडीशन लाइक दिस पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट। ओके।